Why now India cannot use atom bomb against Pakistan? Due to our submarine which can carry atomic missiles, these submarines are guarantee for second possible attack from Pakistan. Death sentence was announced by a special court to ex-COAS Pervez Musharraf. Which political party is not accepting the results of 6th Pakistan Population Census MQM? Paradise Leaks has disclosed the offshore company of former Prime Minister of Pakistan Shaukat Aziz. FATA has become the part of KPK. New GHQ is being built in Islamabad. Hazara Province movement is continue in which province of Pakistan? KPK. Daughter of Sanam Bhutto has joined dash profession modeling. Her name is Azadeh Hussain. CPAC has dash routes to eastern and western. Motorbike ambulance service has been launched in dash province Punjab. Which coal power plant is considered as to be the cause of smog? Sahiwal Coal Power Plant. 10 billion trees project is a brainchild of which party? PTI. First president of PDM is Maulana Fazlur Rahman. Which bank is going to be the first real interest-free Islamic bank in near future? Akhuwat Bank. Which agency now take the MCAT entry test in Pakistan? PMC. Meghan Markle and Dash have decided to leave royal titles and palace. Prince Harry. Which terrorist organization is involved in recent killings in Balochistan? BLA Baloch Liberation Army. Third largest mosque of the world is being constructed in which city of Pakistan? Karachi. Big resources of iron has been discovered in Dash city, Chiniot. How many matches of the next PSL will be played in Pakistan? All. Which country is trying to launch surgical strikes in Pakistan? India. Which new weapon of Pakistan is most dangerous for Indian Army? Technical nuclear weapons. These are small nuclear bombs which can be fired by cannons to destroy the enemy troops. There are no chances of civilian casualties. As per UNHCR, which country is hosting maximum number of refugees at present? Pakistan. Asim Salim Bajwa is the chairman of CPAC authority. Name the ex-army chief of Pakistan Army who has been chosen as first commander-in-chief of Islamic Military Alliance, General Rahil Sharif. Who has been appointed as new Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Justice Gulzar Ahmed. Mahmood Chaudhry has become the son-in-law of Asif Ali Zardari. Mahmood Chaudhry has got married with Bakhtawar Bhutto. Iran fired missile on US military base in Dash for taking the revenge of General Qasim Soleimani. Iraq. Hatim bin Tariq Al Said is the new Sultan of Oman. Name the singer of Pakistan who has accepted the citizenship of India. Adnan Sami Khan. Green Line bus rapid transit line is being constructed in Karachi. Dolphin Force has been introduced in which province? Punjab. NLG in Pakistan is being imported from which country? Qatar. Dash is facing foreign funding case in Election Commission. PTI. Where Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park has been constructed? Bahawalpur. Name the Bank of Pakistan which have to stop its operation in USA due to money laundering allegations. HBL. MBS is going to invest dash $1 billion on its first smart city Neom 500. USA-Pakistan relations are in danger due to the activities of Dash in Afghanistan. Haqqani Group. Who has won the last presidential election of Afghanistan? Ashraf Ghani. Who is current DG ISPR? Major General Babar Iftikhar.